Good morning students, welcome to e-learning classes with me. Students, in today's lecture we are going to learn about kinds of teeth from chapter number 11, mouth, teeth and tongue for class 4 subject EVS. In our previous lectures we discussed about different types of teeth, then we learn about parts of tooth, and in today's lecture we are going to learn about different kinds of teeth humans mouth have. So this topic is very interesting and students don't skip the video, watch the whole video and also reply the interesting question which I will ask in between the video. So let us start the text. Kinds of teeth. Our teeth have different shapes to help us eat different kinds of food. Students, in our mouth there are different kinds of tooth which have different shapes. The shape of the teeth are different because the different types of teeth help us to eat different kinds of food. बेटा, हमारी जो माउथ होता है उसमें अलग अलग टाइप के टीथ दांत होते हैं और उनकी शेप डिफरेंट होती है. उसका रीज़न ये है कि जो हम खाना खाते हैं दैट इज़ ऑल्सो इन डिफरेंट their texture, their softness, hard. Some of the food are very soft, some of the food are very hard. So for different types of food we have different kinds of teeth also. अलग अलग तरह का भोजन खाने के लिए हमारे माउथ में जो टीथ्स होते हैं उनकी शेप भी डिफरेंट होती है. So firstly we are going to learn about first type of teeth are incisors. In human mouth there are maximum number of teeth are 32, and from 32 the first type of teeth are incisors. Incisors are also known as biting teeth. Firstly I just show you diagram. Here you can see there is a set of 16 teeth in one jaw. Here are in the front there are 4 teeth, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 teeth are called incisors. These are called incisors. And one teeth each side of the incisors are called canine. This teeth is called canine. And apart from the canine there are 2 premolars beside the canine in both sides of incisors canines. There are 2 premolars in right side and in the left side. So there are total number of 4 premolars in each ear. And at the last of there are 3 molars in right side and 3 in the left side. So total number of molars are 6 in each ear. So let us start one by one. We are going to start reading from incisors. Incisors are also known as biting teeth. What is the other name of incisors? It is biting teeth. Incisors are the 4 front teeth in each jaw. They have a sharp, straight and cutting edge. There are 8 incisors in our mouth. They are also called biting teeth. Students, as I already told you, there are total number of 8 incisors in our mouth, 4 incisors in each ear. So total number of incisors are 8. Here are 4 incisors in lower jaw and there are also 4 incisors in upper jaw. So total number of incisors in our mouth are 8. And the other name of incisors are biting teeth. And the shape of incisors are very sharp, straight and they have cutting edge. जो इंसाइजर्स होते हैं बेटे, ये बहुत ही शार्प टीथ होते हैं, हमारे फ्रंट 4 टीथ जो होते हैं. यू कैन रिकॉग्नाइज बाय कीपिंग योर फिंगर इनसाइड योर माउथ. फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन फील front 4 teeth. They are very sharp and straight and they have cutting edge. उनका जो edge है, ऊपर वाली नोक है, वो बहुत तीखी होती है. तो ये 4 फ्रंट टीथ जो होते हैं इनको हम इंसाइजर्स बोलते हैं. इन अदर वर्ड्स वी ऑल्सो कॉल दैम बाइटिंग टीथ्स. Once again I am going to repeat the first type of teeth. They are incisors. What we call them? Incisors. And we also call them biting teeth. And students, tell me how many total number of biting teeth in our mouth? There are 8 biting teeth in our mouth. There are 8 incisors in our mouth. And can you tell me what is shape of incisors? Their shape is very sharp, straight, and they have cutting edge. इनकी जो शेप होती है ये बहुत तीखे होते हैं, सीधे होते हैं. यू कैन सी हेयर, दिस इज अ शेप ऑफ इंसाइजर. दीज आर वेरी स्ट्रेट, शार्प एंड दे हैव कटिंग एज. सो दिस इज अबाउट इंसाइजर्स. होप सो यू अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ टीथ. नाउ कम टू द सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ टीथ. दे आर कॉल्ड canines. Canines and are also known as tearing teeth. Canines are known as tearing teeth. Tearing का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? किसी चीज़ को तोड़ना, टेयर करना, छोटे छोटे स्मॉल पार्ट्स में तोड़ना. Canines are the 2 pointed teeth, one on each side of incisors. We have 4 canines. They help us to tear flesh. बेटा हमारे माउथ में टोटल नंबर ऑफ कैनाइन्स जो हैं वो 4 होते हैं. There are total number of 4 canines in human mouth and they help us to tear flesh. ये जो फ्लैश होता है, मांस होता है, उसको टीयर करने में हेल्प करते हैं. Can you tell me what is the task, what is the uses of canines? These are used to tear flesh. Canines are used to tear flesh. And how many total number of canines in human body have? In human mouth have? There are total number of 4 canines. Now I am going to show you the location of canine in human mouth. There are 1 canine on each side of the incisors. बच्चे ये 4 फ्रंट इंसाइजर्स हैं. इनके दोनों साइड पे, राइट एंड लेफ्ट साइड पे, there is one canine in left side of the incisor and in the right side also. हमारे जो इंसाइजर्स होते हैं, उन टीथ्स होते हैं, उनके दोनों साइड से, राइट और लेफ्ट साइड पे एक एक कैनाइन होता है. तो इन 1 ईयर, हाउ मैनी टोटल नंबर ऑफ कैनाइन इन 1 ईयर? देयर आर 2 कैनाइन इन 1 ईयर एंड इन आवर होल माउथ देयर आर टोटल नंबर ऑफ 4 कैनाइन्स. बेटा हमारे माउथ में 2 पॉइंटेड टीथ होते हैं. पॉइंटेड मीन्स जो ये बहुत काफ़ी तीखे होते हैं. यू कैन सी हेयर, these are canines. These are very sharp. ये काफ़ी शार्प होते हैं, पॉइंटेड होते हैं, यहाँ से बहुत तीखा होता है. और these are used to tear flesh. फ्लैश को तोड़ने में ये हेल्प करते हैं, टीयर करने में हेल्प करते हैं. और ये इंसीजर के दोनों साइड पे, जैसे इंसीजर होते हैं 4, उनके दोनों साइड पे एक एक कैनाइन होता है. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ कैनाइन्स हमारे माउथ में होते हैं 8. So we have learned about 2 type of teeth yet, incisors and canines. Incisors are also known as biting teeth and canines are known as tearing teeth. Now we are going to learn about premolars. Premolars are also known as grinding teeth. Premolars, the third type of teeth are premolars, and these are also called grinding teeth. Premolars are 4 flat teeth. Student, here you can see premolars and they are flat, and total number of counting of premolars in each jaw is 2. Premolars are the 4 flat teeth, 2 on each sides of the canines. जो हमारे कैनाइन्स होते हैं, सॉरी बेटा, जो प्रीमोलर्स होते हैं, इनकी टोटल नंबर ऑफ काउंटिंग जो है दैट इज़ 8, एंड इन वन जा देयर आर टोटल नंबर ऑफ प्रीमोलर्स आर 4. एक या में 4 प्रीमोलर्स होते हैं और कैनाइन्स के दोनों साइड पे 2 प्रीमोलर्स होते हैं, एंड दे आर फ्लैट. इनकी जो शेप है वो कैसी होती है? फ्लैट. दे आर नॉट शार्प, दे आर नॉट पॉइंटिंग. ना तो ये कैनाइन की तरह पॉइंटिंग होते हैं, ना ही इंसाइजर्स की तरह ये शार्प होते हैं. ये फ्लैट होते हैं. दे ग्रिंड एंड मैश द फूड वी ईट. देयर आर 8 प्रीमोलर्स इन आवर माउथ. हमारे माउथ में टोटल नंबर ऑफ प्रीमोलर्स जो हैं वो 8 हैं, एंड द यूजेस ऑफ premolar is to mash the food that we eat. जो हम खाना खाते हैं उनको ये मैश कर देते हैं. I will also show you the diagram of premolars. In this diagram, students, you can see here are 2 premolars each side of the canines. In both side of canines there are 2 premolars. Here is canine, and above the canine there is premolars, and here are also 2 premolars. So total number of premolars in each jaw are 4, and in our whole mouth there are total 8 premolars. Now we are going to learn about molars. Molars are also known as chewing teeth. There are 6 molars in each jaw, 3 on each side of the premolars. बेटा, हमारे माउथ में टोटल नंबर ऑफ molars are 12 and 6 molar in each jaw. एक या में टोटल नंबर ऑफ molars जो होते हैं वो 6 होते हैं, and 3 on each side of the premolar. जो premolars होते हैं 2 इन दोनों साइड में, माउथ में दोनों साइड में जो 2 premolars होते हैं उनके आगे 3 in one side and 3 in other side, total number of 6 molars. They are broad teeth with pointed and grooves. They help in chewing the food. They are 12 molars in our mouth. अब बेटा जो इनकी शेप होती है, यू कैन सी हेयर मोलर्स, ये ब्रॉड टीथ होते हैं, ब्रॉड एंड पॉइंटेड होते हैं, ब्रॉड टीथ होते हैं विद पॉइंटेड एंड ग्रोव्स. यू कैन सी हेयर दीज आर मोलर्स, एंड द टास्क ऑफ द मोलर इज च्यूइंग द फूड. ये खाने को च्यू करते हैं, चबाने में हेल्प करते हैं. एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ मोलर्स इन ह्यूमन माउथ आर 12. There are total number of molars in human mouth are 12. So once again I am going to show you diagram for molars. Here students, you can see there are 3 molars in each side of premolars. Premolar के दोनों साइड में 3 molars हैं. So once again I am going to revise the whole topic. In this topic we learn about kinds of teeth. Firstly, there are 4 incisors, and on both side of the incisor there are 1 canine in each jaw, 2 canine in each jaw, and further from the canines there are 2 premolars. Total number of premolars in each ear are 4, and in whole mouth there are total number of 8 premolars, and further there are molars. On both sides of premolar there are 3 molars, and these molars are also called chewing teeth, and there are total number of 12 molars in human mouth have. So this topic is very interesting. There are total number of incisors in human mouth are 8, and in each ear there are 4 incisors, and in each ear there are 2 canines, and total number of canines in human mouth are 4. In each ear there are 4 premolars, and in whole mouth there are 8 premolars. There are 6 molars, and total number of molars in human mouth are 12. So now this is a time to ask one interesting question. Students, now this is the interesting question which I want to ask you, and you give me reply in the comment box. The question is, which kind of teeth do we use for chewing food? So you have to reply this answer in comment box. Hope so you understand the topic very well. Thanks and have a nice day.